create a new page, choose a calendar view and a new database. Click Add an item, add a property, select checkbox, and it will be tasks, for example. Next, duplicate property and duplicate it again. It is learning and it is spot. And create an icon for this item. For example, this. OK, click on three dots, select properties and show tasks, learning and spot. Just click on the plus sign. Click on the area outside the item, click on three dots, click on calendar and show calendar as week. Return to today, open any item and add a property. Type is formula, rename it as a progress bar, click on the value of the formula and look forward to the two-number formula. Next select the first habit, plus, next we can copy it, plus and copy, replacing habits, learning and spot. Done, click on three dots, next properties and show the progress property. Open the item once more, click on progress, click on edit property, select show as bar and divide by the number of daily habits. OK, click on arrow next to the new and create new template. Let's create an icon for this template, the finish icon. Now we need to create a new property. It is a created time type. OK, now we can repeat this template every day. Click on save, click on three dots again, click on calendar and show calendar by created time. We see a daily repeating template